Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 2 points. One point is here, the other point is here, and they are on the graph that is given to us. So without plotting the graph, find the value of A. So this is the catch. Since they tell me there are points on the graph, this means that they satisfy that equation, you know. Meaning, if we substitute the values in, they must satisfy the equation. They must equal to each other. The equation still hold true. So what do I mean by that? I'm going to substitute 4a into y equals to 2x plus 7. And when I say substitute, my x will be 4, my a will be y. So I will no longer write y already, I will write it as a equals to 2 times 4 plus 7. And from here, I will be able to get my value of A, 15. And because they also tell me the point B, -2 is also a point on this line, what do you think we should do? Brilliant. We are going to use the same method. So we are going to substitute b -2 into the same equation since they are on this line as well. So you will have -2 equals to 2 times b plus 7. My x is b, my -2 is y, and we are going to solve for this equation. So I'm going to minus 7 on both sides. So that my right hand side of this equation, no more 7, it will be equals to 0. And then -2 minus 7 will give me -9. After which I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So that -9 divided by 2, and I will get my b. And this will be equals to -4.5. So my b is -4.5. Because of the word hence, we will then have to make use of this value of a and this value of b for the gradient. So gradient is simply y1 minus y2. So I will have my a minus -2. So it's 15 minus -2. Oops, sorry. I shouldn't write y. I should write it as gradient. And 4 minus b. And my b is -4.5. And this will give me a value of 2. And we can actually, special tip, we can check the answer with the equation that they give us, where the number, the constant in front of x represents the gradient. And true enough, it is 2. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.